Ever feel like you're running a marathon with your shoes tied together? That's what unproductive days can feel like. In today's fast-paced world, maximizing productivity isn't just about getting more done, it's about enhancing the quality of everything you do. Yet many of us wrestle daily with procrastination and the relentless pool of distractions that fragment our focus and sap our energy. The good news? It doesn't have to be this way. Stick around to untie those shoes with our top 5 productivity hacks. First up, let's turn your workday into a series of short sprints. Introducing the Pomodoro technique, a simple yet revolutionary way to tackle your tasks. Here's how it works. Devote 25 minutes to uninterrupted work, then take a 5-minute break. This rhythm not only spikes your focus, but enhances time management. You can use numerous apps to keep track. As these short bursts of productivity add up, what once seemed like a mountain of work becomes a series of small hills. Next, conquer small tasks with a simple decision-making tool. Introducing the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in 2 minutes or less, tackle it immediately. This principle is a game changer. It keeps your to-do list manageable by clearing away the smallest tasks before they accumulate into a mountain of minor annoyances. It's about not letting the little things take up big chunks of your mental space. Embrace this hack and watch those minor tasks disappear faster than a snap. Now, let's sort your tasks with a method trusted by presidents. The Eisenhower Box, a simple yet powerful tool, helps you prioritize tasks by dividing them into 4 quadrants based on urgency and importance. For instance, urgent and important tasks go in the first quadrant. These are your critical do-now activities. Less urgent but important tasks fall into the second quadrant, ideal for scheduling later. By categorizing tasks this way, you harness the ability to focus on what truly matters. Sorting your tasks effectively means you're always on the offensive, not just reacting. Time to take control of your digital environment. In our hyper-connected world, digital distractions like social media alerts, endless emails, and app notifications can derail even the most disciplined among us. To claw back your focus, start by turning off non-essential notifications. Dive into your device settings and silence the digital noise. Next, allocate specific times for checking emails and social media, perhaps mid-morning or late afternoon. This compartmentalization frees your mind to engage deeply with the task at hand. Regain hours of lost time by taming the digital chaos. Lastly, a simple habit that brings profound changes. Planning your day the evening before sets the stage for a seamless morning. It's about more than just to-do lists. It's preparing your mind for what's ahead. By deciding your priorities and scheduling tasks beforehand, you minimize morning chaos and cut down on decision fatigue. Whether you prefer jotting down notes in a physical planner or tapping away in a digital app, the key is consistency. Sleep well, knowing tomorrow's success is already mapped out. Now that you're armed with these 5 productivity hacks, what's next? Revisit the Pomodoro technique, the 2-minute rule, the Eisenhower Box, minimizing digital distractions, and planning your day ahead. Start with 1, experiment, and find your best fit. Transform your days from chaotic to constructive, and watch your productivity soar. Try these hacks and share your success stories.